Rose cream is a popular skincare product that is known to help hydrate and brighten the skin, giving it a healthy glow. Here is a recipe to make your own rose cream at home. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons rose water, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons sweet almond oil, 1 tablespoon vitamin E oil, 5 drops of rose essential oil. In a mixing bowl, add rose water, aloe vera gel and sweet almond oil. Mix well. Add vitamin E oil and rose essential oil to the mixture and stir until fully combined. Using a hand blender or a whisk, blend the mixture until it becomes creamy and smooth. Pour the mixture into a clean glass jar and store it in a cool, dry place. To use the rose cream, apply a small amount to your face and neck and massage gently until fully absorbed. Use it as a moisturizer in your daily skincare routine for a healthy and glowing complexion. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos.